This method seen here will be image tracing a logo. If your artwork is already vectored, you may skip this portion. First, import your artwork. Next, click the Auto Trace option here. These options are variable, so find the one that best suits your project. This artwork is solid, and has one color. We will choose the silhouette option. Now expand it by clicking Expand here. By using Illustrator and vectorizing your art, it will guarantee a high-quality image when transferring it to your transparent sheet. Unlike bitmap images, vector graphics are mathematically generated and retain detail when resized. Because of this precision, vector processes are often used to create business images, such as logos and banners. The biggest benefit of vector graphics is that you can resize them without losing quality. Now select File, Export, Save As. Be sure to name it properly and save it in the corresponding location. Also make sure the format you export in is PNG. PNG is transparent. Your artwork must be transparent. Select Export. Your artwork is vectorized and ready to be printed.